In this video, we are just going to look at one of the pairs that I am paying attention to, which is your British pound versus the US dollar, the GBP USD. GBP USD, that's what I am also focusing on. Why am I focusing on GBP USD? You can see we are at a level that we previously interacted with. We previously were at this level, and we seem to have a reaction each time we come to this level. I hope you get the picture there. My purple thing there. You can see when you look left, we always have a reaction on this level. So it's a level of interest. It's a level of interest. Obviously, the next level of interest will be that one, and as it goes and as it goes. But definitely, we are in a level of interest there. So that's why what now my excitement has been triggered. So this is the weekly time frame actually. If you're not seen, we are actually on the weekly time frame. So this is actually a week, a week, a week, a week. This is previous week, last week, and this is today. It's Monday. This is the start of a new week. So what we want to say is, how are we going to react on with this level? Are we going to push back up, or are we going to break it down and continue what to the next level? I always say to people, yes, you can do your analysis, you can have the best strategy in the world, but allow the markets to be the market. Allow the market what? To be the market. So, what do I mean? I mean, sometimes people lose trades because they are set on one idea. Sometimes people say it's going to buy, and then they are fixed on that one idea that it's going to buy. That's why sometimes we might see bearish pressure here, and people what will continue buying because they are fixed on one idea, despite the market telling them what, that we might be we might be selling. So that's why I always enter the market with two biases. That's why I always enter the market with two biases. I'm not here to give predictions or forecasts. What I only do in my trading is to try and react to whatever signals the market is giving me. Whatever the market is saying, I try to react to it. I don't try to predict markets. So if you are looking for predictions and stuff like that, probably this is the wrong channel, the wrong video to be watching. I don't offer predictions, but I do tell you when something interesting has happened or is happening in the market. Like what I'm saying now, we are at a critical zone concerning GBP USD. You can see there, you can see, look left. If you look left, you can see it's a good zone. Are we going to break this zone and go down, or are we going to go back up? Is what we are going to be deciding maybe today or maybe in the coming few days. If we drop down to the daily, you can see what's happening. We have this is probably Friday, and today is Monday. You see we have 2 week rejections there on the zone, 1.3000. I don't know how many zeros I said already, but anyway. So we have 2 week rejections here on the daily time frame. We have week rejections on the daily time frame. Uh, I would like to see us what reject some more. If we're going to move going back up, I want to see us reject some more. Why am I not buying already? Because the market has not yet given me a signal. Of course, we are seeing 2 weeks here, probably rejections, but the market has not told me that we are going back up. Of course, there are some signals that people who love to jump into the market might be seeing. For example, look at this. We might what be forming a W pattern. That's for people who like to jump in early. I'm not going to be that person. I just want to see this candle close, or maybe another one. We might see Tuesday again, no decision. This thing can happen even for an entire week. For example, here, look at how many days we spent without making a decision here. And people were tempted here to actually buy. Why? Because we're just dancing on top of this zone here. And people would be what? Would be tempted to buy. Bad idea. Wait for the market to show you its hand, where it's going to go. Don't just rush in. Wait for them. They will show you. Wait for them. I know there are people who cannot live life away from the market. They always feel a need to always have a trade going on. Those are the people who sometimes donate to the brokers. So here I'm patiently waiting for GBP USD to show me something. That's how I trade. I trade higher time frames. That's what I trade. I trade higher time frames. So for people who are scalpers and stuff, well, you can get in and try and make your money. Otherwise, for me, I usually target the bigger time frame moves. So I'm just waiting for confirmation there. I have 2 rejections there, and I'm hoping that we can actually come up with a decision here, whether we want to go this direction, or they might induce you to actually buy and what, and take things this way. That's the danger that always exists with sniper trades. Sniper trades. I know people love sniper trades and stuff. I used to do it. I used to enjoy it, but what you sometimes do not know is sometimes people will show you their sniper trades, but will not show you the rest of the losing trades. So it takes skill. It takes a lot of skill to do those sniper trades, and it also takes some bit of luck, because you might indeed be correct that it's going to go up, but lo and behold, something happens in the US or something happens in Britain, and what, the market, they just go down. So always have 2 biases in the market. If your buy analysis does not look like it's going to work out, quickly shift and do what the market is telling you. Go the opposite way. So that's why I don't always have one bias when I enter the market, because previously I used to do it, and I would find that I would be set on that one idea, and I'll be stubborn on that one idea. In the end, I would lose money, because, for example, if it breaks through here, I would probably still thinking it's going to buy. So I will continue buying as it drops, which is what, bad idea. So now I wait for signals. I wait for the market to tell me what it's going to do, and I feed off those signals. So GBP USD, that's where we are. We're at critical zone. Let's pay attention to it. Let's, if you have any ideas of what you think it might actually do, leave them in the comment section below. No problem. Leave them in the comment section below. Then let's help one another. Let's see what GBP USD is going to do. But otherwise, on the higher time frame, we are due for a critical move. We are due for a critical move. That's what GBP USD is showing me on the higher time frame. Critical level. What's going to happen here? GBP USD, are we going to go back up, or are we going to continue coming to this level, probably tap it, and then we actually go back up? It's always a possibility. Okay, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like this video, watch the other videos on this channel. Until next time, bye.